reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I could see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we've almost had it all. Scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart and soul, and you played it to the beat. Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home, soon I can. Singing songs about sailing. I miss Alabama once again. I think it's sick. Well, I heard Missy Young sing about her, and I heard O'Neill burn her down, and I hope now Young will remember Southern man don't need him around anyhow. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you. Alabama, well, sometimes I go out all by myself when I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing. In my head, I paint a picture. Since I come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your chit-chat and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over that way? I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you